welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government freezes all permissions to constructions given after governor's address. Notification issued pending putting RP 2021 on hold. Government to take final call within a week. Government refuses to allow closure of Chogale Higher Secondary. Says no justification for closure of the school, no public interest also. Shah Commission demands action taken report on untraceable mining traders. Department to inform Commission about suspension of all trading licenses. Congress government committed an error by not scrapping RP 2021, says GPCC President Francisco Sardina. Also informs that he has asked the centre to allocate 1,000 crores for the construction of a new 6-lane Juari bridge. And Salgaonka Sports Club all set to clash with Al Vedat of Jordan in AFC Cup. Despite missing Luciano, Chiddi and Siuka, coach Karim Benchripa promises strong performance. Now the news in detail. TCP department will not issue any new permissions or NOCs. This comes after the government has put the RP 2021 on hold. The TCP has sent a circular to all the other departments on Monday. Permissions given after 20th March by the TCP department for construction will not be issued henceforth. The government will revisit the regional plan. This plan has not been scrapped nor has the notification been withdrawn. Therefore, the RP 2001 will not come into force.
I have received a note from our Secretary Town and Country Planning for directing our branch officers to stop all NOCs and development permissions which are issued by them based on RP 2021.
Okay.
So those directions are already issued today.
Okay.
And we have also called in case any approvals are given between 20th of March till date to also submit details of all those cases to me.
Okay.
So we will be submitting those things back to the government. The entire NOC issuance will be freezed.
Okay.
Till further orders.
Okay. And what about the past NOCs, sir?
Past NOCs from 20th till date, I think I have asked for submitting a list.
Okay.
So those lists we wanted to verify exactly whether they are old ones as per 2001 or whatever. That separate decision will be taken on those.
अभी regional plan कहाँ पे stand होता है, sir? Is it denotified or is it just freezed?
Freezed.
So freeze करने से sir 2001 plan activate हो जाता है?
No. As freezing, only denotified that becomes, but otherwise it is only freezing.
Okay.
And appropriate decision will be taken by the government.
Okay.
About the status of 2021. I think probably in the next 1 week's time.
Okay.
That process is on. No, freezing is open.
Okay.
Till further orders, like once government decides to denotify or whatever the decision government takes on 2021. Till that period, the present directions of freezing will continue.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Government has refused to allow closure of the Chogale Higher Secondary. In a letter to the Chogale management, government has noted that there is no justification for the closure and the decision of the management doesn't serve any public interest.
To the Director of Education about the present status and what action the government has taken with regard to the closure of Chogale College Higher Secondary issue. So there was anxiety in the minds of the students and the parents. So I had written a letter to the Director of Education, and I have received a reply. The reply which says that the letter is very clear that the government has flatly refused the request of the Chogale College to close down its higher secondary section in a phased manner. the request has been rejected. 300 फॅमिली फातोर्डेच्यो 300 स्टुडंट आसात जे स्टुडंट आज एडमिशन घेतात 11वीक. सो म्हाका दिसता की हे लेटरा वयल्यान तांकां एक होप आसा, तांकां एक आशा आसूंक शकता की कॉलेज बंद जावचें ना. सरकारान पयलो स्टेप घेतिल्लो आसा. आतां चौगुले कॉलेज जर हे सरकाराक मानना आनी चॅलेंज करूंक वता जाल्यार सरकारान तांचे एसेट्स आनी कॉलेज एक्वायर करपाक स्टेप घेवचे पडटले.
A reporter from Margaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Shah Commission has sought information from the State Mines Department on the action taken against untraceable mining traders. These are the traders who do not have their offices in the state. Department is likely to reply to the Shah Commission about suspension of all the trading licenses. Sources say a formal reply will be sent mostly on Tuesday.
Few months back, Home Department had verified mining traders to Police Department. At that time of verification, it came to notice that some of the traders don't have their local addresses. The Commission later submitted their report to State Mining Department. In recent development, the Commission has wrote a letter to the State Mining Department asking what action they have initiated against those traders.
शाह कमिशनान एक लेटर धाडला की चौकशी करपाक की फाटीं तांचे ट्रेडर्साची इन्क्वायरी केल्ली होम डिपार्टमेंटान थ्रू पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट.
ओके.
आनी ताजे बद्दल मायन्स डिपार्टमेंटान कितें केलां तें त्या विचारताले. पुलिसेन व्हेरीफाय केल्ले आनी कांय जाणांचे एड्रेस बी मेळ्ळे नाशिल्ले हांगा ट्रेडर्साचे गांवांत.
ओके.
त्या संदर्भांत तांणी रिपोर्ट दिल्लो आनी आमकां विचारिल्लें मागीर कितें केलें काय. तर त्या लेटराक आमी अजून रिप्लाय केल्लो पूण आमी तांकां सांगपाक येता की ऑलरेडी आमी ती सस्पेंड केल्ली आसा लायसनां आनी केस बेसीस आमी ती परत व्हेरीफाय करतले.
ओके.
ते अजून कळोवपाचें आसा प्रोबेबली आनी फाल्यां बी तांकां लेटर धाडूंक वयतले.
A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.